If people are fighting and a pregnant woman is hit and gives birth prematurely, but there is no serious injury, the offender must be fined whatever the woman's husband demands and the court allows. Exodus 21:22 NIV. Explanation. Context of the verse. This verse is part of the Mosaic Law, specifically the section dealing with civil and criminal regulations. It addresses situations where harm occurs unintentionally during a conflict. The focus here is on accountability and justice, even in cases where the harm may not be fatal or permanent. The scenario. The verse describes a situation where two individuals are fighting, and in the process, a pregnant woman is accidentally struck. As a result, she gives birth prematurely. However, the text specifies that there is no serious injury, meaning neither the mother nor the child suffers life-threatening harm. Key points to consider. Premature birth. The term gives birth prematurely in Hebrew. Yatsa Yalada has been debated among scholars. Some interpret it as a miscarriage, while others argue it refers to an early birth without fatal consequences. The NIV translation leans toward the latter, emphasizing that there is no serious injury. No serious injury. This phrase clarifies that the situation does not result in death or permanent harm. If there were serious injury or death, the consequences would be more severe, as outlined in other parts of the law. Example, life for life, eye for eye, in Exodus 21:23-25. The legal outcome. The offender is required to pay a fine. However, the fine is not arbitrary. It is determined through two layers of accountability. The husband's demand. The woman's husband has the right to seek compensation for the harm caused to his family. The court's oversight. The fine must be approved by the court, ensuring that it is fair and just, and not excessive or exploitative. Moral and ethical implications. This law highlights the value of human life, even in its earliest stages. It also emphasizes the importance of responsibility and restitution in cases of unintended harm. It reflects God's concern for justice and fairness, ensuring that even accidental harm is addressed appropriately. Connection to broader biblical themes. This verse aligns with the biblical principle of restitution, making things right when harm has been done. It also underscores the sanctity of life, a theme that runs throughout Scripture. Example, Psalm 139:13-16, Jeremiah 1:5. Application. In modern terms, this verse reminds us to be mindful of our actions and their potential consequences, especially when they affect vulnerable individuals, such as pregnant women and children. It also teaches us about the importance of justice tempered with fairness, ensuring that restitution is proportional to the harm caused.